Toyota Corolla exists as an affordable and attractive compact car that's loaded with standard active safety features. The sedan adds 2 new paint colors, ruby flare and windchill pearl, and the hatchback is now available with a finish line red paint job. The Corolla SE sedan still comes standard with plenty of features to keep us satisfied. The list includes 18-inch wheels. Both the Corolla sedan and the hatchback have a pleasant ride quality that adequately isolates all but the worst bumps. Their controlled body motions also provide better agility than previous iterations. Inside, the Corolla hatchback and sedan share a streamlined dashboard and soft-touch materials. Most models have passive entry and push-button start. Others can also be upgraded with ambient interior lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment to tell me how you found this car.